Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Asawang Filipina. And today's vlog is we're gonna go swimming! Yay! And then, for today's vlog is we're gonna check how long I can stay underwater. Our vlog for today is how long I can hold my breath under the water. So, that's what we're gonna see, and I hope you enjoy this vlog. So, enjoy watching. This is our outfit for today. Go! But for today's vlog is we're gonna wear swimsuit. And then I'm gonna show you my mini pool. This is the pool. So we're gonna swim there and I'm gonna dip down in the water and I will see how long I can stay there. May let's go upstairs. I'm gonna look what I'm gonna wear for our swimming. Underwater challenge. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell so that you are updated for our next vlog. This is my daughter's pool and this is not deep. It's only about 3 feet. So, the temperature of this water is about 25 because it's in the mountain, so it's quite cold. It's like how long I can hold my breath underwater challenge. That's my vlog today. Before we get deep down to the water is we have to wear this two-piece. So, wait for me.
A few moments later.
Well, if you're sensitive watching this video, just skip. Let's go swimming! So for today's vlog, it's kayo na. You're the one who do the timer for me and I will do this down in the water. This vlog is on how much time I can hold underwater. I'm gonna hold here. Hold. think that's a bit longer. Gonna try one more time. Oh my gosh. So I think that would be all. Hi guys. Hi Han, I love you.